Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. So, I just opened 2 days ago, or 3 days ago, I don't know. I created a group on Facebook, I know, second, for the ID3 pre-bookers. And I did that for a few reasons. I mean, there are some Facebook groups about ID3 pre-bookers already on Facebook. Problem is, I've seen one for Germany, Austria, Switzerland, one for Denmark, one for Sweden, one for Norway. So all a mix, but nobody knows what the other people are doing. And if in Norway they speak Norwegian, and of course the rest of Europe has no idea. And so I thought, let's make a Europe group. So, because I want to know what the rest of Europe, what they know about the car, what they want to know, what is their way through the whole ID3 experience. And I already found out a few things. So right now we already have 30 people in there. I put the link down here, of course, and if the link doesn't work, because somebody told me sometimes the link doesn't work, just search Facebook group, I think VW ID3 Pre-Bookers Europe, something like this. What's going on here? And what I was saying, I know Facebook, it's not the best, but it's just easy to start a forum and everything, and it was too lazy, so I just did it in Facebook and done. Another thing what I like about this group, to find out more stuff, and I already found out that for example in Germany the people could select the color and what feature package, but nowhere else in Europe as far as I can see. And also I think in France they already said that it's possible in December or something. So I can't remember, but it's just interesting that other countries have a different way. And also the same for delivery. So on my paper it said April to order it, and then maybe get delivery also in April. But somebody already told me a different European country in August. So that's interesting. So it's very possible that Germany gets the. Maybe turn on this light. Is this better? It's very possible that Germany will get the ID3 first. I hope so, for me. And I did my pre-booking on the first day, so I hope I'm one of the first few who will get the car. And I'm sure that there will be other people getting the car earlier, and there will be other people, so the one who get it earlier, that will make a video on YouTube. But it's very possible I would be the first one who makes an English video that gets one. So I'm excited about that. That would be awesome. It's fun. Okay, check out the group, join. I know Facebook sucks. I don't use it. I didn't use it for, I don't know, 2 years, 1 year, I don't know. Never posted stuff in a long time. I just used it for my band, but the band is now on ice, so how you say it, doesn't do anything right now, so I just use it for this, but I don't use it personal. So join, and then we find out different stuff from different countries. Very interesting. And questions and people that know stuff from Norway. Somebody from Norway already said that the ID3 that will get a summon function. That we never heard about that. We'll see if this is true. But it's interesting to find out. I joined I joined a few other groups, but oh my God, it's. What I see, it's very weird. So people just post everything and have very dumb questions. And I'm pretty sure our little group, because we all know so much and you follow me and you've already got a lot of information, that we all know a lot, and it will be very, very smart people there. So come enjoy, have some fun. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye. It's a weird sound.